Hi friends, welcome back to the Martin Museum. I'm Kelly Martin, Independent Scentsy Consultant. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you a couple of the boxes that I received. I actually received 3 today and I have one more coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to break this up and share with you. One box was pretty small, and one had a lot of duplicates. So I'm going to share with you 2 of the boxes. Hello, Squeaks. Here's the cat. She wants to help. I'm going to share with you 2 of the boxes that I received today, and then I will do another video for the 3rd box. And so this week I'm going to probably have 3 unboxing videos of product that I've gotten in. I have a lot of product coming in from limited edition special orders that I received and placed over the last couple of weeks. Plus we have I've ordered a few things in for some gift baskets that I'm going to be doing for a holiday event that I am going to be participating in. And then there's just a couple of things here that I absolutely love and are awesome Christmas presents. So I'm going to share. I'm going to start with on October 1st, we had the fall collection release, and very quickly the Book of Shadows, the Under My Spell warmer sold out like super quick. So they did a release as ability to pre-order for more people to get them, and they came in. I was surprised how quickly they restocked them, so I was able to get another of the Book of Spells warmers. And then we had, and I tried to open a lot of these items up already so that I can just share with you, because I'm trying to keep my videos a little bit shorter. They've gotten to be really long, and I want to respect your time. And so I've tried to open things up before I started the video so that you didn't have to wait for me to open all the packages. Forgot to grab this box though. So on about a week and a half ago, we had a release of 2 amazing items, which was the Villains Warmer and the Monsters Inc. items, which had Sully and Mike Wazowski buddies, and the Monsters Inc. scent, wax scent, and also we had the Villains Warmer and the Villain scents. So I have the ones that I was able to get in. Though I was on as soon as they released them, Sully sold out in 23 minutes, and I had him in my basket and he disappeared out of my basket. So sorry, the cat is really wanting to help out with the boxes today. She loves the styrofoam that's in them. So I cannot share with you what the Sully buddy looked like. However, it is, and I believe it's still currently available as of the time that I'm recording this, to pre-order. However, it is not going to really be here until June of next year, which is really sad, but I have a couple of customers who I know super really bad wanted them. So I did order, I did do the pre-order for them, and they will be able to get them when they become available. However, I was able to get Mike. So Mike he sold out shortly after, but I was able to get him when I placed my order. So he didn't sell out in 23 minutes, but I think that he was within the first hour or so. And so they did offer him also. So he has the little pouch in the back for his scent pack, and little Mike. Now, with Mike comes the Monsters Inc. scent pack, and these I believe sold out almost as quickly as the. I actually don't know for sure if these are available or not right now, but I thought that they had sold out. So I have Mike. I have the scent pack. I got the wax and the Monsters Inc. wax is still available. It also can be added to your Scentsy Club order for 30 days from the time it was released. So you have a couple more weeks to get this added um, to your club if it is something that you like. And this was, it's a interesting smell, but I really, really like it. This is one that, and I've heard that it smells even better once you start warming it. It's like, oh my goodness. There's berry, like, I don't know if it's a blueberry, raspberry, couple of different berry smells in here that are mixed, and citrus. So this is, to me, this is the kind of scent that I really, really like, and I can't wait to warm it. I'm planning on warming it, and I will make some samples out of it. So if it's something that you are interested in, please leave a comment below. I am happy to send out a sample to you so that you can test out the Monsters Inc., but you want to do it in the next couple of weeks because I don't know how much longer these will be available, but I know you can add them to your Scentsy Club order. I know I'm planning on adding mine to my Scentsy Club order. So next, I also received in this order some room sprays. Like I said, I'm working on gift baskets, and so I got a Blue Grotto, which is one of my favorite scents, and Aloe Vera and Ivy, which was last month's scent of the month, and oh my goodness, I love this one. This is a really good, crisp, clean scent, and I did put the wax in my Scentsy Club, and my Scentsy Club's getting a little out of control, but I want this on my desk always, so, or on my, available on my shelf always. So I did add this, and I will be getting more. I got 2 bottles of that. And I got a black raspberry vanilla. This is a good standby that is just a popular scent that has been around forever. I think it was one of the original scents that came out when the company started. I got Be Merry and Apple Cinnamon Stick. So these will be going with scent circles in little quick grab and go gift bags. For $10 or $11 because these are 8, the scent circle is 3. Great stocking stuffers. So I have ordered those in for the event that I am doing. Next, I am going to share with you, this is, it came with this picture in here, and this is in the Villains Warmer. So the dish has the poison apple in it, and then this warmer came in multiple pieces, not broken pieces, in pick this up for you. This warmer, it has the Outer Cauldron, which has all 3. It has the Wicked Queen, it has Ursula, and it has Maleficent on it. And then the inner is the dragon, Ariel, and the Man in the Mirror. This also came in the base. Look at this. It's a really kind of shiny, pretty metal purple base. We have a green 20-watt bulb in it. We don't normally have colored bulbs. This one has a green, 20 watts don't normally come colored. We have colored for the 15 and the 25. So this is new. And then, so you can spin this around, show you how I'm doing this. You can spin this around so that you can put your favorite, and I want Maleficent in the front of mine because she is the villain that I want to see highlighted. So I put that on and see if I'm, there we go. So I have the dragon eye in the middle of there, and I'm going to turn this baby on. Look how it lights up, it glows green. It's just so amazing. So I'm going to turn this so you can see. I didn't get the center one turned when I turned that, so you can see Ursula here, and if you have the center part turned correctly, you will see Ariel swimming in there, and then here is the Wicked Queen. And you would see with her the Man in the Mirror. So this is the Villain Warmer, and I am going into detail sharing this with you because I am amazed that this baby is still available as of the time that I am recording this. I really expected this to be one that was going to sell out super fast. However, they held off on releasing these for a couple of weeks beyond when they originally said they were going to release them because they wanted to get more in so that they didn't sell out fast. And so the company did a really great job of making sure that they had enough of these on hand so that when they released them, they would not sell out. But there was apparently some confusion that people thought you had to pick one of the 3 villains. You do not have to pick a villain. You get all 3 of them. And so if you want Maleficent, if you want Ursula, or if you want the Evil Queen, you can have whichever one you want in your cauldron, and I am so excited to have it just before Thanksgiving. So this is going to go in the window in the front of our house for Thanksgiving, or for Halloween, which is at the time that I'm recording this tomorrow night. I will have this out so that the neighbor kids that do wander through will get to see it. Okay, so with that, we also got a 3-pack of Villains scents. So each of the lovely queens has a scent that is dedicated to them. So one bite and all your dreams will come true. Now, I have heard people just rave about how wonderful these scents are. I need to figure out how to open this box. So the first one that I have here, just one bite, and this has the Evil Queen on it. And this is kind of a cinnamon apple. It's a heavy cinnamon apple. These only come in the 3-pack. I believe they were $18 for the 3-pack. I believe it was $75 for the warmer. Next we have Mistress of Evil, which, oh, I'm getting almost a grapey smell out of that. Kind of fruity, but leaning towards like grapes or plum. So that is the Mistress of Evil. And last but not least, we have Ms. Ursula. And this is Poor Unfortunate Souls. This one almost smells, to me it smells floral and a little powdery. I don't know that this is going to be, I don't think I'm going to be a huge fan of this one. I'm not typically a fan of florals and definitely don't like powder because it sets off my allergies. So this one, I'm not sure I will be a huge fan of this. However, these two smell amazing to me. So I have all sorts of things that I now need to warm tonight because, or not just all tonight, but I do have a lot of warmers in the house right now and my husband is not home. So I actually can warm several of all 3 scents tonight, and I'll just have to go to different rooms in the house so that I can smell all of them tonight and see how awesome they are and which one I really, really absolutely have to have in my Scentsy Club so that I don't miss out. Now, if you are new to Scentsy Club or don't understand it, these are all sold separate or as a bundle, and you have to buy them as a bundle right now, $18 for the 3 set. However, you can add them individually to your Scentsy Club order. So if there is ever a package deal that comes out and there's only one of the scents that you really like in it, have a Scentsy Club order add whatever individual bar you really like to your Scentsy Club order, and you can always get it because that puts you in for the always get my bar. And so even once these are gone and you can no longer order the 3-pack of bars, you can still get these as long as they were in your order before they went out of stock, and as long or within 30 days of when they were released. And as long as you keep them in your Scentsy Club order, you can get these 5 years from now. You can still be getting these even if they discontinue and never come back. You would still be getting them because they will always make you your bars. That's part of why I get myself into trouble, because I have several of the limited editions that I love. I had to throw in the summer scents that we had, and I'm so glad that I did. And I absolutely always will love my hibiscus waters, but a couple of these I'm thinking might end up there with them, with that one for me. And I just have, well, I have 2 of each of those coming every month so that if I go through them, I don't run out. So that is always an option for you. You can have a Scentsy Club order. You can sign up for it on my website. So go to www.kellymartin.scentsy.us. That's KELLYMARTIN.SCENTSY.US. And then in the middle, you can click on the tab that says Scentsy Club and sign up. You can have it delivered once a month, once every 2 months, or once every 3 months. You can put any consumable items in there. However, if you have a scent that you really love, the bars, you can get the always get my bar option. You do not always get that option for all of the other items, but you can set it up so that your laundry products are mailed to you monthly or bi-monthly. You can set it up so that your cleaning supplies come monthly. Whatever, all of our consumable products can be added to the Scentsy Club, and then you pick your frequency. You can do that on my website. You can go online and just order the 3-pack now. You can still order the amazing warmer. I'm going to light that up for you one more time. I love this. Look at that. Got the eyeball in there. So Maleficent or Ursula or the Evil Queen. So you can still order this at the moment. And then also, in Scentsy Club, you can also get the bricks. So if you've seen my videos where I'm unboxing our scent of the month and warmer of the month, lately we've been getting bricks with that. Bricks, there are some bricks available there. We also, coming November 1st, will have some bricks available. If you are in my VIP club on Facebook, you will see the scents. I just posted it a few minutes ago, and there are, I believe, 5 or 6 scents that are going to be available for purchase starting November 1st, along with some limited edition holiday scented hand soaps and a surprise warmer that they just announced today that is going to be available, which is a snowman warmer, again available November 1st. If you are interested in any of those, check out my Facebook VIP group, and if you are not part of that, send me a message and I will make sure I get you invited. And I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing of these awesome limited edition items. So glad that I can tell you that at least the Villains collection is still available for you to order. I believe that Mike and Sully can still be ordered for a pre-order, and hope that you are having an absolutely wonderful weekend, or have an absolutely wonderful weekend, because we are Friday evening and heading into it. Thank you very much for watching.